Eastern Shore, inventory and contracts have fallen. It's Friday, March 24th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market. Despite interest rates falling, some rates in the fives, new contracts fell sharply this past week. Perhaps it's too early for buyers to realize this in the midst of all the upheaval that happened last week. So, what is available to buy? Homes on the shore fell to 989 since last week. 74 homes came on the market since my last report, a drop in new inventory. 78 homes are coming soon, up by 2 over last week. 83 went under contract, fewer this week. 80 went to pending, a drop again this week. 90 properties sold in 16 days, up to 98.7% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell this past week was a waterfront in Chester for $4,338,000. Available rentals rose slightly to 73 homes for lease at a median $1,950 per month, leasing in 37 days. What's on your mind about our local market? Message me your questions. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, March 24th, 2023. Thanks again for tuning in. Happy Maryland Day. Until next week, stay safe.